Hey, if you are wondering if you can change text bubble color on a Samsung S25, then the answer is nope, you actually cannot do this right now. They actually removed this function from Samsung, and the only thing that you can actually change right now is to set color by keyword. So when you go into settings and go to search, input this phrase color, and we have to search for this option, color by keyword. It will be available in notification settings. So what it does, basically it will bright up your notifications with colors when the titles match names or words that matter to us. So if you are waiting for some messages with money keyword, then you can add it right here and change color. And now when you receive this notification, that it will change your notification like that. But there's actually no way to change the text bubble color.